This is a little longer one. It's available in small size. The height of the kurti is 49 inches. Small is 36 size. Generally, I have stock from 36 small to double XL 44. Above 36 also I customize, and above 44 also I customize. Maximum size what we have customized is 54 inches. She
Okay.
is a regular customer of Pink Pulse Chennai. In the new material one now she'll ask me to send. I'll send her. She'll select and she get it stitched.
Wonderful. That's
This
wonderful.
is this is one more. Most favorite fabric of Pink Pulse Chennai. This comes with apple. This is black with red print, cotton again.
Okay.
This almost all the fabrics I use is rayon and cotton. Now party wears again I use raw silk and few chanderi and all. This and one more is this. This is rayon. Again you can wear it for a regular wear or a party wear. This is rayon with this golden prints and Kira vandu it's a checked material. This is available in XL size. This is available in XL size.
Hmm.
It's a very ரொம்ப அடிக்கிற ரெட் கிடையாது. Maybe because of the lighting I think it looks different in the camera, but this is also one of the எல்லாமே one of them சொல்லாதீங்க அப்படினாதீங்க. Please go and check my page. Most loved material. இதுவும் வந்து பார்ட்டி வேர்க்காக I did one feeding kurti for my daughter's friend's mother for her second delivery. அவங்க பார்த்துட்டு பார்ட்டி வேற வேணும்ப்பா ஆனா ஸ்மூத்தா இருக்கணும்ப்பா அப்படின்னாங்க. இந்த மெட்டீரியல் பார்த்த உடனே she liked it. And one more thing I just want to tell about us is the stitching part. I just want to show you this. We always provide extra inches inside for you to get it altered in future. So எப்படின்னா ரெடிமேட் வாங்கிட்டோம் just 6 months தான் நம்ம தூக்கி போட்டுடலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இல்லாம maybe the material will get shrink. இது shrink ஆகாது, but I'm telling you in general. மெட்டீரியல் ஷ்ரிங்க் ஆயிடுச்சு, நம்மளால இதுக்கு மேல ஆல்டர் பண்ண முடியாது, தூக்கி போட்டுடலாம் அந்த ஒரு கான்செப்ட். இல்லைன்னா நம்ம வெயிட் போட்டோம் தூக்கி போட்டுடலாம் அப்படின்ற மாதிரி இருக்கக்கூடாது அப்படின்றதுக்காக we always provide extra material inside for you to get it altered in future. Then we will provide overlock. So whatever whether you get it customized or you get the ready made from Pink Pulse Chennai, you will have extra material inside. Definitely you can get it altered. If not, please send the material to me. I will alter for you and I'll give you.
That's wonderful service from Pink Pearls.
Thank you. This one is available in XL. This is also rayon.
Yes.
And one more I just want to show in cotton, which is also have these golden prints. This is available in double XL. This is cotton, wherein you will have this golden prints. This is also semi party wear. Illana office normal get together and அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. அந்த மாதிரி போட்டு you can use it, or even a daily wear. Wash. I want to specifically say about wash. Whatever, wherever you buy clothes, please do plain water wash the first wash. First wash எப்பவுமே வந்து don't use soaps. Plain waterல வெறும dip பண்ணி just hang it. Don't put it in the machine or don't squeeze. எதுவுமே பண்ணாதீங்க. Just dip it in the water and hang it. Because எந்த துணியா இருந்தாலும் especially blue, whatever blue you buy definitely சாயம் போகும். சில்கா இருக்கட்டும், நைட்டியா இருக்கட்டும், நார்மல் காட்டனா இருக்கட்டும், இல்லைன்னா என்ன காஸ்ட்லியான மெட்டீரியலா இருந்தாலும் ப்ளூ வந்து டெஃபினட்டா it will fade. It will bleed. Sorry, fade இல்ல, bleed. It will bleed. So don't do machine wash the first time. Please do a normal hand wash. அதுவும் டிப் பண்ணி ஜஸ்ட் அப்படியே போட்டுருங்க. அது காஞ்சி ஒரு 2-3 வாஷ்க்கு அப்புறமா you can use soap or machine wash. This is one, and I will show this one. This is available in double XL. It's a ikat with cotton combination. Male, the white one is ikat, and here this is a cotton fabric. This is the cotton fabric, and this is ikat. Male ikat. It's a patchwork kurti. This is available in double XL. This is a normal daily wear or a office cotton. Again, ikkatum vandu almost everyone in office would have used ikat. So I think I don't want to explain more about ikat. It's a very comfortable wear, very common wear for us in summer. Namma Chennai is always. But apart from that, outside the world also, these materials are very comfortable to use and to wear. This is one more semi, yes, the same material what I'm wearing is it in the top as a patchwork, and here again it's a raw silk. This is raw silk inga here and made as a cotton patch. This is available in XL, and this comes with a short hand. And mostly I prefer 3/4 hands ready-mades because after getting a lot of feedback from my customers wherein we go for stalls, we meet customers directly. Most of them prefer 3/4 because maybe in the office or while driving or everything. I prefer 3/4 in my ready stock. So once again, if you want to alter your hands or if you want some other different hands, I do customization. There is no restrictions for us to design your ideas. So you can get your designs. We will stitch in our fabrics and deliver it to you. This is one more stuff, and this is again my favorite, but I haven't stitched any dress for me in this because the material got over, I believe. This is also once again, this is rayon, and this is again with the golden print. We stitched a frock for a kid recently in the pandemic. She got birthday. One of her customer or a friend பொண்ணுக்கு. You know what feedback I got? I was very very happy. அந்த பொண்ணோட அம்மா சொன்னாங்களாம், அவளுக்கு வந்து ஸ்கூல் திறந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் பர்த்டே கொண்டாடணுமா, இந்த ஃப்ராக்கை போட்டு அவ பர்த்டே செலிப்ரேட் பண்றதுக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி she gave a very good review on this frock. We were very very happy on it about it. So this is one more Kadambari, or
Yes. You're very much audible.
fine.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is one more beautiful stuff, and
Beautiful.
recently my customization is going on in one XXL, which is going to New Jersey in this material.
Excellent.
This is one more, and again it's a rayon.
There is somebody who's asked you a question. They would, why don't you mention the price of each piece? Looks like somebody is interested to know the price.
Sure, I'll do. This kurti costs 875. It's a rayon kurti with this golden print. This is available in medium size. This is 875. This is cotton, available in XXL. This is 800. This is 800.
Wonderful.
This is again rayon, XL size. This is 850.
Wonderful.
This is also rayon, available in XXL size. This is again 850. All my kurtis is of same size, ma'am or sir, whoever commented. All my kurtis will be of same price. Only the difference of 25 and 50 rupees depends upon the design. My kurtis range starts from 600, wherein cotton straight cut is 600 starts. Rayon will be 650, 675, and anarkali starts from 800 again.
So hope Nisha Satish, that question, what you asked, thank you so much for getting that. I'm sure this would have been there for most of the people. So thank you, Nisha. Hope you've got your answers.
This is a semi-party wear, wherein this is a raw silk with this is a raw silk with embroidery, navy blue, and down it's a mustard raw silk. This is available in medium. We have provided lining also inside, wherein you will not feel uncomfortable because of these designs inside. This costs 1025.
Wonderful.
This is available in medium size. And even you can, if you're looking for any other sizes, I have the material availability of these both. We can stitch according to your requirement. As I think I have mentioned the price, this costs 1025.
24, yeah.
This is one more piece in rayon, available in XL. This costs 850.
Wonderful. Can you bring the design a little closer and show
Yeah,
the design?
sure. I'll do that. It's a mehendi green with maroon, yellow,
An
and
embroidery or a print?
it's a print.
Okay. Yeah.
And you need not worry about it. The print will not go very soon. I mean, I haven't எனக்கு வந்து எந்த பிரிண்ட்டுமே வரைக்கும் போனதில்ல. And I haven't got any negative feedbacks from the customer like the print போயிடுச்சு ஜானகி rayon அப்படின்னு சொல்லல. But as I told you again, rayon never do machine wash, never do it, because நம்ம சாதாரணமா துணி போடும்போதே மிஷின்ல வந்து லாஸ்ட் அந்த ஸ்பின் பண்ணும்போது you will get lot of wrinkles. So rayon வந்து இப்போ நம்ம சாதாரணமா மடிச்சு தான் வச்சிருக்கோம், பட் அயர்ன் பண்ணி போடும்போது இதெல்லாம் இருக்காது. பட் மிஷின்ல துவைக்கும் போது அந்த லாஸ்ட் ஸ்பின்ல வந்து லிட்டரலா நம்ம வந்து எப்படி ஒரு மாதிரி இது எனக்கு கசக்க முடியாது. This is a new piece.
So basically it's a dip and dry.
ஆமா. So rayon don't brush பண்ணாலும் வந்து சீக்கிரமா cloth ஓட லைஃப் வந்து போயிடும். So rayon please dip, just ஒரு squeeze and hang it. Don't do machine wash. ஏன்னா உங்களுக்கே வந்து அந்த ஃபீல் வர ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். நம்ம எப்போ ஹேண்ட் வாஷ் பண்ண ஆரம்பிக்கிறோமோ, எப்போ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மாதிரி டிப் பண்ணி மட்டும் போடுறோமோ, ரயான் வந்து ரொம்ப நாளைக்கு வரும். It will long last.
Wonderful. The cost of this kurti?
This is 850. Rayon 850. Yes.
Excellent. So for those who are watching, this is We Do Workwear's online bazaar that you're watching right now. And this is by our women entrepreneurs, members of We Do Workwear. And today, right now, you're watching Janaki Raghavan Pink Pearls showing her range of products. And she will also be dropping her Instagram page where you can go and look for more items and also book for more items there. So this is a sample of her work, and also she's got some pieces here on sale right now, so you can comment and you can get in touch with her post this live. So this is once again We Do Online Bazaar, an initiative of We Do Workwear. Yes, over to you, Janaki.
This is a double XL anarkali with frill sleeves.
Nice.
A hand one, you will have a plain cotton with this flower pattern. I hope the design is visible.
Beautiful.
This is the design of the fabric, and this is again an anarkali pattern. I will just show you the flower for the newcomers. This is the flower of the dress.
Yeah.
This is the flower of the dress. This costs 800. This costs 800. Available in double XL size. As I told you, if you are looking for any other sizes, I can stitch and provide you in 10 days time. Due to pandemic, please bear with us. There is a delay wherein our tailors are held up in some other places. I have very few members with me in my unit now. So there is a slight delay of 10 to 15 days now. Kindly bear with us, not only with me, with everyone. Courier is also getting delayed because of this pandemic situation. Please bear with the entrepreneurs.
No problem. Understood. But the point is, like, if you book it, we will get it slightly delayed. Got it. Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
This one. And this one is again in rayon. This is available in small size, 36 size. This is 36 size with the 3/4 hands, and you have beautiful piping in between. It's
glass work? Is it a glass work or something?
No. It's a print again, Kadambari. It's a print.
It shines. Okay.
Yes. It's a print.
Okay.
But yes, these all my anarkalis, as I said, the height will be from 42 to 43. If you wish to wear it like a short frock, yes, you can go with that. Or if you want to pair it with a legging, yes, you can go with that. Now, அதனால தான் the height வந்து, say for example, இப்போ college girls இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு வந்து எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் லெக்கினோட பேர் பண்ணணுமா அப்படின்றது இல்லாம, சில பசங்க 12th standard பசங்கலாம் கூட some people were they look very height, பட் வந்து லெகின் போடுறதுக்குலாம் இஷ்டம் இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு கான்செப்ட்லாம் பேஸ் பண்ணி வச்சுதான் வந்து what we taught is, இது வாங்கினா பெரியவங்க வந்து பேர் பண்ணி லெகினாவும் போட்டுக்கலாம், சின்ன பசங்க வந்து கவுனு ஃப்ராக் அந்த மாதிரி ப்ரிஃபர் பண்றாங்க அப்படின்ற மாதிரி போட்டுக்கலாம். So that's why the height of the kurti is always 42 to 43. Once again, if you want to alter the height or if you want to reduce the height, we do customize as per your requirement. So this piece is available in small.
This is 850.
850.
Yes, got it.
Rayon is all 850 plus shipping. Cotton is all 800 shipping. I think
those who are watching this live, Janaki will be dropping in her details in the comment section, and also she'll drop in her Insta page. So you can ask for, you can order these by sending her a WhatsApp message or contacting her on her page. Yes, go ahead, Janaki.
This is the last one which I'm going to show today. This is again our XL feeding kurti, feeding anarkali kurti with a flower and the zip on both the sides with invisible zip. I just show you the zip part with the vertical zips. Again, feeding kurtis we customize as per the requirement, either if you want vertical or horizontal or with a flap like a cloth over here or with a flap over here. We customize as per your requirement. Feeding kurtis straight cut starts from 675 and anarkali starts from 875. As I have told already, even after weaning the kid, you can wear these kurtis as a normal kurti wherein you have only the invisible zip. I mean, if I keep it like this, you can't see the zip. So once when I come closer only you will have this.
Okay.
So even after weaning the kid also, you can wear these kurtis as a normal kurti because these zips is not visible outside. And feeding kurti anarkali starts from 875 plus shipping. Even these kurtis or whatever you kurtis you get it from Pink Pearls Chennai, you will have extra material inside for you to get it altered in future. That's it today. That's it for today,
So,
Radheshwari. Thank you.
That's wonderful, Janaki. So I have a couple of final questions for you.
Yes,
So do we know that Pink Pearl, in the name of Pink Pearl brand, you create a lot of kurtis like this. So do you also give it to resellers or boutiques? Can they get in touch with you too? Because if they are going to sell ready-made off their rack, so can they get in touch with you? Can boutiques
yeah,
get in touch?
sure. I already have a number of resellers inside India and outside India. I do prefer resellers to contact me. Please get in touch. I'll provide you my contact number. You can get in touch in my Facebook page, Instagram, or WhatsApp. We can talk in detail about how we can work with the resellers or the boutique owners.
Wonderful. Thank you, Janaki. That was excellent and wonderful range. I'm sure for people who are watching, especially feeding mothers and plus sizes, this is where there's a big problem. The choices that we have are very, very less. So Pink Pearls comes as a ready-made solution, especially for super plus sizes as well as for feeding mothers. So you cannot miss it. And for the others, for the good price and the wonderful collections that she has and the customizable as well as alterable solution is what is the USP of Pink Pearls. So do get in touch with Janaki, and thank you very much, Janaki, for participating in the We Do Online Bazaar today, and super proud to have you as a member here.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Welcome. Thank you so much. So to all of you who are watching here today, you are watching We Do's Online Bazaar. We Do Online Bazaars happens every Saturday and Sunday at 5 o'clock. Sometimes we may have a minute or 4-5 minutes delay because of the technical difficulties. Plus, remember, we are mothers and women out here juggling between a lot of work, but trying to make a mark in whichever industry that we are in. So this campaign, Buy from Women Entrepreneurs, is a campaign and is a request to all of you out there